In problem 2.1 work together on page 35, it's asking us to write the answers to the following problems in the working papers. We're given 7 different accounts, and it says for each account, complete the following. Prepare a T account, label the debit and credit side, draw an up arrow on the increase side, draw a down arrow on the decrease side, and label the normal balance side. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write in all of the different accounts on the top of the T accounts. So first we have cash, then we have accounts receivable, Sullivan Company, then we have supplies, then we have prepaid insurance, and then we have accounts payable, Sawyer Supplies, accounts payable, Oceanside Supplies, and lastly we have Parker Vogel Capital. All right, it says label the debit and credit sides. So for every single one of these, no matter what type of an account we have, the left is always the debit, the right is always the credit. Debit left, credit right. Debit left, oops, this should be credit, sorry. Credit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. All right, the next thing they're asking us to do is draw an up arrow on the increase side and a down arrow on the decrease side. But I think before we do that, we should label the normal balance side. So cash is an asset. Assets occur on the left side of the accounting equation. So the normal balance side is the left or debit side. Accounts receivable is an asset. Assets occur on the left side of the accounting equation. So the left or debit side is the normal balance side. Supplies is going to work the same way, as is prepaid insurance. These all have normal balances on the debit side. When we come over here to accounts payable, this is a liability. Liabilities occur on the right side of the accounting equation, so the right or credit side is our normal balance side. This is another accounts payable, so the normal balance occurs on the credit side. Capital, this is an owner's equity account. It happens on the right side of the accounting equation, so the right or credit side is where our normal balance occurs. We're now going to go back and do our arrows. We always increase on the normal balance side, we decrease on the opposite. So everywhere we see a normal, that's where we increase, and we decrease on the opposite. We increase on normal, decrease on opposite. And increase normal, decrease opposite. Over here, we increase and decrease. Increase, decrease, and increase, decrease.